Hi, my name is Karen Garcia, and today I'll be talking to you about Wolfram R&D Live, where you can watch, connect, and promote your work. Here's an overview of what I will be discussing today. I will be talking about the channel itself, what you can watch, how you can connect with us, and how you can promote your work. Wolfram R&D is now on YouTube. Our new channel highlights R&D at Wolfram Research, as well as the developers who work on data science, machine learning, image processing, visualization, geometry, and other areas. Our channel has lots of different content coming from various developers of R&D, talking about relevant topics, as well as different technologies here at Wolfram. There are new videos being uploaded every week on our channel. Content on demand. You will find creator presentations, behind-the-scenes insider videos, and live streams all available on our channel. We have videos ranging from specific topics in a single playlist, such as a mini-series. We also have live stream videos on demand of previous live streams. And within each video, you will find information about what the video is about, as well as a link to the presentation notebook and other relevant links that might be helpful learning about the specific topic being discussed. Now let's talk about mini-series. We wanted to provide videos where you could learn about very specific topics. In these mini-series, episodes will drop weekly on new subjects such as the Wolfram compiler and numerical computation. Our most recent mini-series talks about the Wolfram compiler. In these 4 episodes, we give an overview of the compiler as well as other relevant topics within that subject. For example, episode 2 discusses high-performance computing. Episode 3 focuses on advanced programming, and the final episode of this mini-series discusses software engineering and computer science within the Wolfram compiler. These mini-series are a way to provide more information on specific subjects, as well as tutorials and different examples of how Wolfram technology can be used. Behind the scenes. A unique thing to our channel is that there are presentations that were originally exclusive to the R&D team that we are making available to you. These presentations range from a wide variety of topics, from presentations that were given to developers for the team, and they discuss things such as developer tools, parallel computing, and even the Wolfram player for iOS. All of these videos are currently available in our playlist called Inside R&D. And we're also live. As I mentioned before, this channel has different live streams from developers that discuss a variety of different topics. These topics can range from number theory to graphs and networks, labels, astrocomputation, the foreign function interface, and even building your first game with Unity and the Wolfram language. All of these live streams are currently available in the playlist for live stream VODs. Each of these videos contains a link to the presentation notebook, as well as any other relevant links to information that can be helpful in learning about that topic. You can watch these whenever you want, as well as live. Connect with developers. Live streams are a great way for connecting with the R&D developers. These live streams are given on Wednesdays at 11 a.m. Central. Since these presentations are given in real time, you can ask questions, give feedback to the developer, as well as chat and interact with them about the topic that they are discussing. Throughout the presentation, developers will answer questions, as well as respond to any feedback that is given to them, given that it is relevant. This channel is also a great way to promote your own work. You can discuss your own Mathematica Packlets and research. Original work will be showcased on our Meet the Creators playlist. As you can see, we are already featuring different videos and presentations from several developers of Packlets, such as QMRI Tools, MaxRD, GTPack, and XAct. These were all very well received, and it gives a great way for users of Mathematica to come and showcase their work. So what comes next for the Wolfram R&D YouTube channel? We look forward to hosting more live streams discussing different topics that we haven't touched before, as well as taking suggestions from our viewers about topics that they would like to see. We will also be having more mini-series. These are videos that will focus on technical topics or a different variety of topics that will have a variety of episodes going into depth on that topic. For right now, we have covered numerical computation and the Wolfram compiler, but we look forward to creating some on efficient programming, numerical differential equations, and a lot more. We also look forward to creating tutorials and providing you with even more insider videos. So keep a lookout. Thank you all for attending my presentation. My team will be hosting an office hour for geometry later today from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Central Time. And don't forget to check out our Wolfram R&D YouTube channel. You can subscribe and check it out at youtube.com/@WolframRD. And thank you again. Thank you guys for watching the presentation. I'll stick around for a little bit if anybody has any questions or comments. But as I said, make sure to check out our new YouTube channel. We're posting a lot of content there every week. And we are open to suggestions if there's a specific topic that anybody wants to see. You can always leave a comment in a video, and we'll make sure to respond. The presentation notebook is also under the handouts, just in case anybody wanted to look at some of the content that we're including in our YouTube channel, or how to promote your own work, as I already discussed. But I'll wait a couple more minutes, and if you guys have questions, just make sure to put it in the chat or under Q&A. So you can see the channel here. Right now, it's highlighting the Wolfram Technology Conference and our current mini-series, which is the Wolfram compiler itself. But all of our content is here, and we try to update it every week with new videos. The live streams also all go here, and here is where the original works from Wolfram users will go. So that includes people who have made Packlets or done other research work. And yeah, this is basically our channel. So like I said, this is our current mini-series. It has 4 episodes, and this is the entire series. The first episode gives an overview. Then we go a little more in depth and discuss advanced programming, moving on to high performance computing. And then the finale of this mini-series was software engineering and computer science. As I mentioned, the mini-series all have very specialized topics. So for example, in this one, we discussed the Wolfram compiler. In the previous one, we discussed numerical computation. And this one is also a completed series. Since these are mini-series, they're usually a short amount of episodes, but every video will go into depth about the specific topic. It doesn't look like there's any questions. So thank you guys again for attending. I will just say one last time that We have a bunch of videos, and if you want to keep up to date, just make sure to subscribe. We also post updates here on our own community about videos or like topics that we'll be discussing. Um, and then, as I mentioned, one of the big parts here is that we do go live with our developers so that users of Mathematica can come and ask questions in real time to the developers. Thank you guys again for watching. And as I mentioned, my team will be hosting a geometry office hour later. So if you have any geometry questions, we'll be up later from 1 to 2 p.m. To answer any if you have any. Thank you guys. Hope you have a good rest of your conference.